Yeah, well, maybe the house could use a little remodeling.
We had several projects in the house that we wanted to have renovated, and we got in touch with a number of contractors and finally got in touch with Russ of Universal Home Renovation. Russ came in and listened to what we wanted, and we came up with a plan to work on the fireplace wall, the bathrooms, and a couple of other little projects. Russ did a great job getting everything done. The work looks amazing. We're very happy with everything that Russ and his team at Universal Home Renovation have done for us. So we had a very old-fashioned looking fireplace and mantelpiece that was all drywall and very uninteresting. Cabinetry to the side was designed for old televisions, very deep, uninteresting. We had it redesigned. We changed the fireplace from an old fireplace to a modern widescreen fireplace, new mantelpiece, the new stone-covered wall, moved the TV over the mantelpiece, and put in cabinetry for the display. Russ did a great job putting all this together, and much improved. Feels like a new house. We needed a bathroom upgrade here in the primary bathroom. We had a shower in the same place, all long, wide vanity units, all-style bath with jetted tubs, and a planter in the corner that was very uninteresting, very poor use of space. We redid all the cabinetry, put in quartz countertops, put in a tower, and made this a much more usable space. We put in a high-tech shower with electronic controls. We had an electronic shower installed. The shower connects to the Amazon control system, and we can control the shower with our voice. Alexa, turn on the shower. We put in a nice vanity unit here and replaced the jetted tub with a new version. And again, Russ ripped out the old and put in the new. It looks amazing. We've put in a heated tile floor, which is great in the winter. All great. New lights, everything. A couple of months ago in the winter, we had a burst pipe here in our theater, and it took out the whole of the ceiling in this space. We had Russ come in and replace the ceiling, take out all the damage, replace the ceiling, make it so that we hopefully won't have the pipe freeze again by putting in a valve up there. And this has now happened twice. Russ fixed the second time. Hopefully we won't have to have it happen again.